Hey guys, Easton Holder here with Raised Outdoors, and today we're going over another review of a product we have on our Raised Outdoors store. You can find that on the shop raisedoutdoors.com website. And today it's the Tactacam Reveal SK camera. Another cell cam. They're becoming very, very popular lately. It comes in universal, so you don't have to pick if you want to get an AT&T or a Verizon, whatever else one there is. It's AT&T or Verizon, whichever one you want to use and set up your plan with. And the other great part about it is it comes with a solar panel that attaches to the front. If you guys can see it up here, it detaches as well, so if you want to move it in a different area, whatever else to get the better sunlight. Multiple antennas, a strap obviously to put it around the tree, adjustable tree mount, and also I've kind of touched on it a little bit in other reviews, but it comes with not just a regular battery pack that you put your AA batteries in, but the rechargeable battery pack, which is also sold separately through Tactacam Reveal. So my only suggestion with this, guys, is it's a great camera. It's a great cell cam, and obviously I do like the fact that it's universal. I'm not having to pick an AT&T or Verizon, but one major suggestion I would give you guys is if you do run out of battery with this one at all in the field, if that solar panel isn't getting enough light to be able to charge it, then you're out of luck. So basically what you have to do is you go get your camera, and you have to take it, you got to take your battery home, charge it, and bring it back. So the thing I would suggest that would be the smartest option is at least buy one or two more of the rechargeable batteries, which we also have on the shop raisedoutdoors.com store right here. That way you can keep one or two charged at home, whatever else, and you take that with you. You keep it in your trail camera bag when you're going to check stuff. And if one's dead, you just pop that one in. You don't have to worry about AA batteries or anything else. So the SK trail camera, guys, by Reveal. It's a great camera. It's a great cell cam. Comes with multiple antennas and everything too. Like I said, it's got tons of different features with it, all in one box. So all around, it gives you just about everything you could really need for one trail camera all together right there. So make sure you go check it out on the shop raisedoutdoors.com. It's $179.99. So for a cell cam, it's actually pretty dang good price and great quality, guys.